Hey there, fellow online entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got something truly exciting to share with you. A proven method to generate a consistent $1,000 per month with your very own Amazon niche site. If you've been dreaming of financial freedom, this is your golden ticket. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because you won't want to miss any of these game-changing tips. Why Amazon niche sites? Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, why Amazon niche sites? Well, they're an incredible way to tap into the massive e-commerce market and earn passive income. With millions of products available on Amazon, there's a niche for everyone, from fitness enthusiasts to pet lovers and everything in between. Finding your profitable niche. The key to success lies in finding your profitable niche. Think about your interests, passions, and problems you can solve for others. Research trending topics and products using tools like Jungle Scout or Ahrefs. Remember, the more specific your niche, the easier it is to target the right audience. Building your Amazon niche site. Now comes the exciting part, building your site. You don't need to be a tech guru for this. Platforms like WordPress and Wix make it incredibly simple. Choose a clean, user-friendly design and focus on high-quality content that provides value. Oh, and don't forget those all-important Amazon affiliate links. Crafting compelling content. Content is king, my friends. Regularly update your site with engaging blog posts, product reviews, and how-to guides related to your niche. Your goal? To become a trusted source of information that your audience relies on. The more they trust you, the more likely they are to make purchases through your links. Mastering SEO. SEO, the secret sauce. Optimize your content for search engines using relevant keywords. This boosts your site's visibility and drives organic traffic. Remember, the higher you rank on Google, the more eyes you get on your affiliate links. Monetizing your site. Time to talk money. Once you've built a solid foundation, sign up for the Amazon Associates program. This allows you to earn a commission on every sale made through your referral links. As your site gains traction, your earnings can skyrocket. $1,000 a month is just the beginning. Engaging your audience. Building a community around your site is crucial. Respond to comments, engage on social media, and consider starting an email list. The more you connect with your audience, the stronger your brand becomes, and the more sales you'll make. Scaling up. Congratulations, you're making that $1,000 per month. But why stop there? As you gain experience, consider expanding your niche site empire. More sites mean more income streams. Keep learning, adapting, and embracing new strategies to reach even greater heights. And there you have it, your roadmap to making $1,000 per month with your Amazon niche site. Remember, success takes dedication and perseverance. But with the right mindset and these proven techniques, you can achieve financial freedom on your terms. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow aspiring entrepreneurs. As always, keep hustling and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay motivated. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Until next time.